Want to save your battery while playing Mario Kart but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to turn on power saver in Mario Kart. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's start by tapping on the menu button which is located at the bottom right corner of your screen. On the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see settings icon. Click on it. Now scroll down to system. There is power saving icon below system. Click on it to save power consumption. And that's how you can turn on power saver in Mario Kart. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.